Okay. So good afternoon, Dr. Stalis.
Yes, good morning. Sorry, good afternoon. Okay.
How are you?
I'm fine, thank you. And how
So
are you?
I'm great. Thank you so much. Welcome to the chat session for Eurasia Research, and we are
Yes, my
really grateful to have you here with us.
yes, yes,
So,
same. I'm very thankful for your invitation.
okay. So, starting with the chat session, first I would like to ask that can you tell us a little brief about your academic profile, your brief bio, and a brief about the research that you presented at the conference?
Okay. First of all, my name is Dr. Stalis Norma Ethica, Master of Science.
Hmm.
My education is I took a master and bachelor degree in chemistry in Gajah Mada University,
Hmm.
and then pursued doctor in science in biotechnology in the same university.
Okay.
Currently, my position is a full-time lecturer and actually an associate professor at Magister Program of Clinical Laboratory Science, Universitas Muhammadiyah Semarang, Indonesia.
Okay.
Is it all?
So, thank you so
Oh,
much for
yeah,
the intro. And
yes,
my next question is that what
yeah.
was your motivation during COVID to carry out your research and participating in the conference?
Okay, my motivation during COVID to carry out my research, right? My research mostly aimed to develop bacterial proteases as therapeutic and diagnostic agents. And the COVID pandemic has indeed presented significant challenges to my research,
Hmm.
uh, particularly in terms of limited mobility. Yeah. But still, I have motivation to preserve and continue my work
Hmm.
because my research may have implications beyond the crisis
Hmm.
and contribute to mostly advancements in human health despite the crisis. So even during the COVID-19 pandemic, there have been countless scientific questions that need answers. So
Hmm.
I try to get the answers for the COVID-19 problems related to my research. I try to interplay between questions and try to answer from my perspective.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Great. So, moving
Yeah.
ahead with the next question. What is your opinion on attending an online conference rather than a physical one?
Yeah. Well, the option of online conferences as alternative of physical one has demonstrated the institution and publisher resilience as well as adaptability in
Hmm.
finding alternative ways to continue research activities despite mobility limitations. And I think that they have made more research materials, articles, and resources available online, and that's very important. And digital libraries, preprint servers from conference grown and become more accessible in online conference. Yeah.
Okay.
So based on these reasons, virtual conference offers not less benefits than the physical ones, but it's important to know that online conference may not completely replace the benefits of in-person conferences.
Yeah.
That's my opinion.
Okay.
Yeah.
So, would you suggest your friends or colleagues to attend the conference online?
Yeah. I would suggest and encourage them to attend a conference online for several benefits.
Hmm.
Um, Accessibility first. First reason is accessibility, and then cost effectiveness,
Hmm.
flexibility, and convenience. Participants can access presentations, panel discussions,
Hmm.
uh, yeah, and then enhance networking opportunities, yeah, in discussions, forums, or one-on-one video like this, yeah, despite the geographical distance.
Yeah.
And then increase interaction like what we have now,
Yeah.
Online conference can provide innovative tools and features in enhanced interaction. Yeah, depends on our creativity. Yeah, and enhance the overall conference experience. And then access to the recorded content. So you just
Yeah.
recorded chat, for example. Yeah, I can
Yeah.
ask you the record later. And then
Yeah.
reduce the carbon footprint because
Yeah.
mobility carbon emission. And then worldwide collaboration is still possible. So that's all my reason to say. So
Okay.
yeah.
So, what is your positive feedback about the conference that you attended recently?
Okay. For the Eurasia
Yeah.
conference,
Yeah.
yeah. Um, I believe that this conference, Eurasia conference, is held both physically and virtually, actually hybrid. Yeah,
Yeah.
it offers quality conference. Yeah, the benefits of adequate accessibility, cost effectiveness, global collaboration, access to recorded content, and flexibility. Yeah,
Mm.
this can enhance our personal and professional growth,
Yeah.
while open networking opportunities among researchers
Mm.
of their geographical barriers.
Yeah.
I think that's all from me. Yeah.
Okay. Thank you so much for sharing your experience with us, and thank you for attending this chat session. We are really, really honored to have
You.
you, and
Yes, I'm very happy.
it will be great honor to see you at the future conferences as well.
Okay, that's a very pleasure to hear. Thank
Okay.
you.
Thank you so much. Have a great day.
Yeah, have a good day. Bye.
Bye.